Okay, guitar lesson number 2, to learn coordination between your fretting hand and your picking hand. Now we're just going to use one string downstroke, and we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very simple. Let's go. Okay, all downstrokes. Then the next time, same pattern, but you're gonna do a downstroke and an upstroke. So it's gonna be, okay. Okay. Now, not much difference at all. So all you're doing is learning downstroke and then alternate stroking. Up, down, up, down, up. One more time. Okay, that's lesson number 2. Make sure you check out lesson number 1, and next video, lesson number 3.